Hi there, my name is Ticiana Sargi. I'm a legal professional and I make organizations compliant with regulations. Regarding General Data Protection Regulation, which is GDPR, it's a new law and I do believe it's really good. It's really relevant and important that people understand that this is for good. Even though it might be difficult for companies to get in with the GDPR, it's just about time. So they are not only concerned, it's not only a concern to be compliant with the law, but it's a concern that the company does the right thing for everyone because they are worried about community. My husband and I really loved Dublin at the first time and we just decided, well, why not to give a chance to the same place that really gave us a nice experience. And also we knew that the market was really good here, the country as a whole is really receiving professionals and giving them nice opportunities. I worked as a saleswoman in a shoe store and I can tell that it was really nice because there I could really develop my English skills and I was happy to do something different of my field. I didn't take care too much about going to events, not only in my field, but to really meeting interesting people, meeting people who can help you to develop yourself. This is something that I do believe because when you meet people with the same goals as you have, it's totally different. For this time, I was sure that I wanted to set up here. So I really went through everything that I could do to develop my career, to develop new skills and to really show myself to the market. The other time I was here as a student, so I was always like saving money because when you're a student you need it. Well, I'm definitely a person who does plans like every time for the day, for the week, for the month and for years ahead. So now more than ever, we are really planning to set up here, to maybe buy a house in the next, months or few years. And for sure, raise a family, have kids, dogs, cats. My name is Ticiana Sargi, I'm a legal professional and I make organizations compliant.